played out a little example scenario to show how this would flow. And so if we're going back to our personas in an actual situation that Frank talked about in his interview, he talked about how he and his fellow nurses were running out of PPE and they had to use some masks that people had made at home. And so I just thought about what that scenario might look like if it was actually done on the app instead. So first, we have Jordan, who is going through the process of making an offer to offer homemade masks to his neighbors. So he's looking through his home screen and he can see, like, if he doesn't know what a certain safety preference means, he can just click on it and that little legend will come up. And then he's going to go through the offering process. And so he is offering homemade masks and he's available, let's say, weekday evenings. So he's just going to select what days he's available and whether he wants this to be kind of a standing offer. And then so he can see his post right here and he can add in any details that he needs to, and his safety preferences have already been filled in here. And then he can go ahead and just post that. Right. And then this is from Frank's point of view, responding to that post. So let's say he saw that Jordan is offering this on his home screen. So he's going to go ahead and send him a message. And he's just saying, like, hey, we really need masks over at St. James Hospital. And then so they can just start talking from there and set up like a meeting to pick up the masks. And so Jordan is saying, like, hey, I currently have 10 masks that I made. Like, do you need all of them? And so if Frank's going to take all of them and give them to his coworkers, then Jordan is going to want to take that post down for a little while until he has the time to make some more masks so that he can offer that again. And that's just shown right here. So he can go back to look at his original post and he can just hide that for now. And so all of the details and everything that he put in is still there. It's just not visible to his circles anymore. And he can just come back and unhide it when he has more masks to offer people. And yeah, that's